For any company similar to ours, I would recommend Commusoft for day-to-day use, especially the features for engineers, the mobile app. It's so simple to use. Hi, I'm Leigh. I've been here now 16 years at Premier Heating. My day-to-day responsibilities are to look after our maintenance team of engineers and office staff. We currently have 10 maintenance engineers and I manage 2 office staff here. As a company, we're well known in the area. Years and years ago, there were lots of companies the size of us or bigger, and they've just disappeared. Wherever I go into merchants, everyone's heard of Premier Heating, and they always hear good things. So we're doing something right. I use Commusoft all the time on the mobile app, as well as the desktop for invoicing, for estimates and quotes, for stock ordering. I send out on average between 10 and 20 estimates a day to our customers. I find all the tools on Commusoft for the estimating really easy to use and quick, and it's easy for the customers just to read and accept the estimate, pay the deposits, and it's all done automated. During the early years, the majority of our worksheets for the engineers were done on paper, printed daily. The engineers would collect them from the office and go out and do their work. We then went on to a system called Service Max, which was very basic, but at the time we were smaller as staff. And when we moved on to Commusoft, we found it was a much bigger and better platform for us. A lot more features for the engineers, for the office staff. And as we grow, Commusoft is the perfect system for us. So my favourite feature on Commusoft is the vehicle tracking. For me, it's good to check where engineers are during the day, ensure they're en route to jobs, and also before we leave work, just to make sure engineers have left jobs and on the way home. For any company similar to ours, I would recommend Commusoft for day-to-day use, especially the features for engineers, the mobile app. It's so simple to use. It gives updates to the customers when we're coming, ETA times. We can see the engineers' forms, completed work really quickly, send out invoices quickly. Such a simple process and a really good system to use.